going to talk about the wimpy sounding horn on our Harley-Davidson FXLRS, the 2020. That's your horn. We're going to switch that up with the Wolo horn, the loud one. Part number 310-2T. I'm pretty sure it's going to fit in there. It's going to mount like this. Right in there where the OEM horn is. And let's get into it. Okay, here is our OEM horn. On my bike, it's a little harder to get to with the big FXR fairing. On your bike, it'll be easy. There's two wires on the top of your horn right here and right here. And then the one nut in the back up there. Right there. Let's see if we can get that off of there. That's the nut. You got to get a 10 millimeter. I got a long 10 millimeter here that you can just get in there. Get her going. See, you got to inchworm it. Get it loose enough for a finger bang. Almost there. Two connectors, your negative and your positive, right there. We'll take those off with the needle nose pliers, and then we will hook it up to our new horn here. The Wolo loud one. So there's the OEM horn, 12 volts, 2.5 amps. Let's see what the amp draw is on our new guy. Doesn't give the amp draw, but we are 12 volts. We could check that with the amp meter if we need to. Well, let's get that on there. Reinstall, reverse of what you did, and the actual OEM nut fits the same thread, so you can reuse the OEM nut. Probably not a bad idea to put some Loctite on those threads. And I think we got the blue Loctite on there. Just enough to grab it. I've been using this Permatex. The Permatex. I used it on the crash bar too when I installed the crash bar, all the threads on the crash bar. There it is, and they're all installed. Let's see what it sounds like now. See if it sounds more like your dad's Harley-Davidson's horn. Let's see, horn. Yep, that's a horn. Over.